Hi everybody, part 2 Maths Fluency Warm-Up. We're learning to multiply decimal numbers up to 3 decimal places, this time by 100, by 1000. Okay, place value chart, decimal cards, multiplication cards, pen. We're going to start with multiplying by 100. So on the top of the pile, we have this decimal number, 2.10. I've already placed that on the place value chart, just to be sure that I know how to multiply that particular decimal number by 100. So just to talk you through, 2 ones in the ones column, decimal point, 1/10, and there are 0 hundredths. However, I now wish to multiply that decimal number by 100, so each of the digits are going to shift not 1, because that would be multiplying by 10, but 2 places to the left. So 2 times 100 will give me 200. And you can see the 2 has shifted beyond the tens into the hundreds column, 2 places to the left. 1/10 becomes now 1/10, 2 places to the left. And 0 hundredths multiplied by 100 will give us no hundredths, 0. So 2.10 multiplied by 100, 210. Cool? If I were to multiply by 1000, instead of shifting 2 places to the left, you'll be shifting 2, 3 places to the left. So say, for example, 11.10. I'm going to pop that on my place value chart. So we've got 1/10, 1 decimal point. We've got 1/10 and 0 hundredths again, 11.10. I wish to multiply by 1000, so each of the digits will shift 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So we have 1/10, so 10 times 1000 will give me 1, 2, 3, 10,000. 1 here times 1000, 1, 2, 3 will give me 1000. 1/10 times 1000, 1, 2, 3 will give me 100, but I'm left with here 0 hundredths times 1000, okay, will give me 0 in the tens column. And now I'm just left with, before what would be a decimal point, a space that needs filling with a placeholder, you've guessed it. So I've multiplied 11.10 by 1000, it will give me 11,100. Okay, so to finish off with, grab your place value chart, grab a pen if you need it, or a notebook. Let's go through some of the decimals, and this time it's your turn to either write down or shout out the answers multiplied by 100. Are you ready? Okay. 3.09. 48.33. 3 decimal places coming up. 3.452 multiplied by 100. And finally, easy one to end on, 2.10. Okay, and let's move on to multiplying by 1000. Same principle, everything shifts 3 places to the left. Are you ready? Shout out the answer. If you need to pause, then do so. Okay, 11.10. 0.15. Remember, we are multiplying by 1000. 1.23. And finally, 3.36. Okay? Let me know how you got on. Well done.